so cool!
This is awesome!
Hey DJ, make it louder. Whoosh!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Finally we're going on a vacation.
And I'm carrying the luggage.
Vacation! Sea! Beach! Sand! Whee!
Attention please. The flight from Tibidabo to the beach is cancelled. The next flight is leaving next summer.
Oh, this is terrible!
I've been waiting for this for the whole year! What are we gonna do?
Well then, shall we arrange a vacation right here? Huh?
Are you serious? This place is as empty as my piggy bank.
Don't worry, we'll manage. Girls, let's go.
Susan is the best. She always has something in mind.
And I have to drag the bags again?
Come here, everybody. Don't crowd, please. So, this is it.
This? Alright, doesn't look too bad.
So cool, yeah!
Check this out, he seems to love it.
I like it too, Susan. It can't get any better.
We definitely need a pool. It's a must-have. Let's pour some sand inside, and we'll get ourselves a nice beach. Now we'll fill up a smaller container with water. Then add a blue pigment and swirl it around. Done! The pool is ready. Dive in! Oh, this is much better. Where are the others? Get in here, let's swim! The water is so refreshing. Oh, and this girl is ready to dip in. Hop? Who wants to swim, folks? Give us a thumbs up and join in. Come on, throw it again!
Sammy, catch!
I'm okay. I got it!
Oh, I might have forgotten my swimsuit! Oh no, what should I do?
Hey, don't be sad. Here, take this balloon. My treat.
Sammy, that's a great idea. Here, check this out. We'll make a perfect swimsuit from it. Let's start with the bottoms. It's the easiest part. Check this out. Here they are. Fetch one more balloon for a top. Now watch closely and follow my lead.
It's actually a cool idea to use balloons for making swimsuits.
Thanks, Sammy. I knew you'd appreciate that. Now let's put the bottoms on. Here you go. Check this out. It fits perfectly. Amazing. Let's just add some glitter. And our girl is fun to make an entrance. There can't be too much glitter. Okay, let's see her friend's reaction.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
It's so yummy. Hi all, I dressed up a bit.
Oh, what a queen! Whoa, amazing!
We've started a new trend.
Oh, I want one too, please!
Sure, let's get started then. First, we'll make a top. Whoosh! Wow, the color is great! This time we'll add a skirt to the bottom part. It looks very edgy. Now let's add a few sequins. And another swimsuit is ready. The last makeover is the most secret one. Whoa! Check out our guy here! He looks great! And now I present to you real swim fashion. Woohoo!
Photo for slime teens, please. Say cheese.
So cool!
Our vacation is on. Dolls are swimming in the pool and chilling.
Whee! It's really awesome.
Now let's make a real pool mat. We need insulation foam tubes. Get ready to paint them. Glue the colorful tubes together and look at what a cool mat we've got. Awesome! Let's float and drift.
Hey, careful! My hair!
fresh water.
Hey, looks like she dozed off.
Sammy, come with
Are you
us.
kidding me? Don't leave, folks. I'll dry off quickly and come back.
It's nice to relax on the beach, but there's one important thing.
Oh, what am I gonna do? I have sand in my hair. Oh, no.
Slime helpers here, miss.
While Sam's comforting her, we'll make a beach chair. Let's go. First, let's attach colorful straws to the foam sides.
Oh, hey, don't twist around it. I'll fix it.
We'll add decor to the sides using this tiny piece. Just glue it alongside the chair like this. And it's done! The dolls can sunbathe again.
Let's go. Me first.
No, it's mine.
Ah, that's the mood. Oh, waiter, come here, please.
We have soda, juice, fruit cocktails, anything you want.
Oh, what a gentleman. Oh, I'm gonna stay here.
So, do you like it? Give a thumbs up.
Today's so hot.
Oh, help. I can't stand it. Oh.
Sammy, why's the lamp on?
Please, Susan, it must be hot in tropical countries.
Well then, it's time to save the day and make a beach umbrella. Insert a white plastic tube into the opening. Decorate the umbrella with foam triangles and a ribbon. And close the tip with a piece of clay.
Finally, I can hide in the shade.
Your drink, miss.
Oh, thanks. Perfect timing.
And it has come just in time with a nice book to read.
Excuse me, can you hurry up? There's a line here.
Seems like we need a bigger place in the shade. Uh-huh. Let's make a tent. Glue a piece of fabric to the box and attach 4 legs. Let's assemble the pillars next. Check this out. Then we'll glue the frame to the base and decorate the top with a thin piece of fabric to create a cool shade.
Hey, we can't see anything in here.
Don't worry, we'll attach curtains to the pillars. Huh? Here you go.
Whoa, that's better. We can throw a party now. Come on, let's get started.
Hey, wait, I'll play for ya. Whee! Stay tuned, everyone. The fun is yet to come. That's right. Girls, now let's lay on the water. Go, go.
Like this, Sammy?
Yeah, good. You're doing great. Now jumps. Up, up. Come on, higher.
Woo! Sammy, you like this?
Hurry up, Sue. Catch the waves before they go away.
The best way to do that is to use a surfboard. Attach a fin to the underside. Then cover the board with transparent nail polish. And attach a leash on the back. Now it's ready. Let's go catch some waves. Woohoo!
Oh, I was born to be a surfer.
Ooh, let me try out. Just a second. Whoa, it's not that easy. Ah!
Sammy, I'm here. Come on.
I'm a good swimmer. Let me go. That's enough water adventures for me.
Oh, he's so into music. Oh no! What is he gonna do now?
Calm down and let me see. I can't see anything.
Then we need a swimming mask with a snorkel. Let's get started. Add a frame made of foam. And attach a piece of straw to the mask. Okay. Now let's put this on. We're almost there. Perfect. Now go into the pool.
Oh, this is so much fun. Hey, I found it. But now I need flippers.
That's all right. We'll get them in a moment. Mold a fin base using some air clay. Then attach plastic fins to the base.
Susie, I know what to do next. We should cover them with clay. Whoosh! And it's done.
Woohoo! Now she's ready for her grand swim. Go, go, go! Let's root for her, everybody.
Yay! Gotcha!
Toy boom boxes are absolutely waterproof. This vacation is rolling! Yay!
So cool.
This is awesome.
Hey, DJ, make it louder. Whoosh!
Oh yeah, dancing thumbs up.
Hey, check this out! I made it!
Oh, Sammy.
This is crazy!
So are you happy that your flight was delayed?
Obviously, it's so much fun here, right, friends? Give us a thumbs up!
And subscribe if you like this video. Bye-bye!
Bye, everyone! See you soon!
What's going on with the power?
I don't know, but we better go check on the electricity to make sure everything's okay for the party tonight. Ed, what's wrong with the electricity?
Princess, it's the most troubling of troubles. All the lighting bugs are gone, vanished, vamoosed.
Lighting bugs? Aren't they the little flies that create the power?
That's right! The lightning bugs get their power from drinking the sap from the tree, and then the tree absorbs the bug's energy to make the electricity for Magic-y.
So, without the lighting bugs, we won't have any electricity to light all the lights for the party.
Where'd the lights go? My cave is scary in the dark. A cuddle will make you feel better.
Don't worry, Scorch. We'll find the lighting bugs and get the electricity back on.
But how are we going to keep the power running in the meantime?
Running? That's it! Maybe we can keep the power running by running! Oh, Zsa-Zsa! What happened to the power? My smoothie is a chunky! The power is out, Zsa-Zsa, and you can help us get it back on. We need something to run on, like a treadmill. A treadmill? Wow, I have just the thing for you! Well, that's not what I had in mind, but I guess it'll do. Thanks!
There, once a runner runs on it, the electricity will start running.
I'll run on it!
No, Truman, I need you to help me search for the lighting bugs. Ed, do you think you could,
Who, me? I'm most sorrowfully sorry, Princess, but I've got the trickiest trick me. All those years of playing sorcerer soccer, you know.
A cuddle will make you feel better.
Off you go, Princess. I'll take care of this.
Thanks, Ed! Scorch! Can you give us a ride?
With pleasure. Cuddle, cuddle, cuddle.
Run, buddy, run! Old Ed needs a cuddle.
Cuddle, 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 cuddle,
What's that glowing down there?
Maybe it's the lighting bugs. Let's take a look. The glow is coming from somewhere around here.
Look, over there!
Sir Kitty Cat, what are you doing here?
Hiding from Countess Elizabeth? She wants these jelly bars back!
But they're for everyone. You can't just take them all for yourself.
I know, but they're just so yummy!
What was that? Who's gonna have the best photos of themselves ever? We are! Aren't those the lighting bugs in there?
Mine. Okay, princesses, show me devious.
They've lost all their power!
That's it, no more flash bugs.
Oh my goodness! Look at the lighting bugs! How could they use these poor little bugs for such a selfish reason? These photos aren't just for us. We're going to light up the night tonight by projecting our pictures all over Magic-y. Who needs lights when our faces will be flashing everywhere instead? We're done here. Bet you can't wait to see our faces everywhere you look tonight.
Can I keep my eyes closed forever?
Oh, look at these poor little guys. They're all worn out. They can't glow. They can't fly.
They need something to eat to get their energy back.
Too bad we don't have any sap from the electricity tree.
Oh, the jelly bars!
Huh? The jelly bars?
Thank you, Sir Kitty Cat. I know it wasn't easy to give up all those jelly bars.
Actually, Princess, I was really happy to.
Oh, they're starting to get their glow back. It's going to be a while before these little guys have enough strength to fly. How are we going to get them back to the electricity tree?
Bubbles, that's it! The lighting bugs can float back to the tree in bubbles.
Billy, that's a fantastic idea.
Thanks. Okay, guys, let's start blowing some bubbles.
All right, Rabbit. You've done a powerfully powerful job of powering Magic-y, but your work here is decidedly done. Princess Billy is returning. Let's hurry back to the castle. Here, I'll carry you.
Are you ready to light up the night with pictures of our gorgeous selves? I sure am. Everyone is so lucky we're sharing our photos with them. Oh? Here, let me try. Why isn't the projector going on?
Princesses, it's not going on because there's no power. We used up all the lighting bugs.
Huh?
Countess, the princess has found the lighting bugs.
I see that, Ed. Look!
Oh, in all my years of seeing lights at night, this is the most beautiful sight of lights I've ever sighted.
You can say that again.
I would, Fiona, but I never say anything twice.
Huh? Once we get these lighting bugs back to the electricity tree, they'll have all the sap they need to get back to normal.
And then we'll have all the power we need to get back to normal, too.
Too bad about the twins' projector, though. Now we'll never be able to see their photos.
You know what, Your Highness? We are so lucky to have a princess like you. And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. I'm sorry, but you can't have everything. This plant is my present, and I'm going to be the one to give it to Dad. Huh. It's just that it's so much better than our present. It's like a mini tree. Hey, do you two have any photos of yourselves around?
Do we?
Pick one you like, and I'll tie it to the plant. Then we'll call it a family tree, and we can all give it to Dad. Awesome!